Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change magnification type. This is going to show you how to magnify part of your screen or even the entire screen. So how do you do that? Go to settings and find accessibility, then vision enhancement. You want to scroll down to where you will find magnification and you want to tap on that. Now go ahead and enable the magnification shortcut because this is going to make it very easy to use and to manage. So I'm going to turn that on. Now you want to click on magnification type below that, and here you can see the option that you can easily magnify partial screen or the full screen. So you can tap on partial screen, and when you press the shortcut button on the lower right hand side, which looks like a little person, it will turn it on, and you can use this to navigate. You can see the little icon there in the lower right hand side of this little blue box. This is where you will move around to magnify the screen. So as you can see, I'm magnifying this particular area on my screen just the way I want. Now let me turn this off for a little moment. Now you can also do full screen. So if I click on full screen and turn on the magnification again, have a look at that. I am magnifying the full screen on my phone. So that's it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and turn on magnification type with a partial or full on your Android or Samsung phone.